Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create attribution reports in Hubspot so you can measure which marketing efforts are driving contacts, deals, and revenue. Let's walk through the process step by step. To create your attribution report, first log in to your Hubspot account. From the top navigation menu, go to Reports, then click Reports again. In the upper right corner, click Create Report. In the left panel, select Attribution. On the right side, you'll see several available sample reports, including Contact Create, Deal Create, and Revenue Attribution reports. If you want to use one of these templates, simply select the sample report. Or, if you prefer to build your report from scratch, choose Create a New Report from Scratch. Then click Next in the top right corner. You'll now be redirected to the Report Builder. Here, you can configure your report. In the left sidebar, choose your chart type, select your attribution model, and set your dimensions. To decide how credit is assigned to different interactions, click the Attribution Model drop-down menu and select one or more models, such as First Touch, Last Touch, or Multi-Touch. Next, add any additional filters to refine your report. For example, you can apply contact-based filters to focus on specific segments of your data. Once everything is set up the way you want, click Save. You can add the report to your reports list, place it on a dashboard, or export the data directly from Hubspot. Finally, choose where you'd like to save the report. And that's it. That's how you create attribution reports in Hubspot. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Hubspot tutorials.